Hello friends, welcome to Astron Electronics. In this video I will show you speaker short circuit protection. What it does is, like, if by mistake if you connect the speaker line with the ground line, it will disconnect the speaker line by triggering the speaker protection relay. That means it will disconnect the speaker line from the amplifier, and so your amplifier will be saved. Previously I used to have VI limiter also. It will also be there, but it triggers in overcurrent protection, so it does give protection in case of overcurrent, but while speaker short circuit, this small circuit will save the amplifier. Okay, so let's play a music, but before that I will show you I have connected two pair of power transistors, and everything is same. This is a small circuit, so let's play. This is the speaker line. I hope it is visible. This is the speaker line and this is the ground. Okay, I will short these two. See, every time I connect the speaker line with the ground line, it will trigger the relay, and the speaker line is getting disconnected. Every time there is a short, it is triggering the relay. Okay, so it is quite successful. So that is it. I hope you people like the video, and the comments are always welcome. Thank you.